street outlaw class, you don't need instant green. Call your tree or ask, hey, I'm in street eliminator, that's a full tree. Hey, I'm in box stock, that's a pro tree. And so on. Because there's only 30 something of you guys are signed up for the outlaw class, the pro street outlaw class, and I'm getting an awful lot of you that are accepting the instant green.
Okay. What's the grand prize for this event? I'm finna figure that out in just a moment for y'all. Somebody over here will know. Hey, miss, how you doing? You look like you know something. What's the grand prize for this event? Do you know?
These mugs.
Oh, these?
Okay. Ballpark classes for each class. It's full of cash.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna get some cash too? What? They gonna get a mug with some cash in it, y'all. They said they made it sound good. It's gonna be full of cash, full of it. Like,
hey, from California, don't mess with me.
Don't have one of them full, y'all. A cup full of money. Oh!
Nice way to lift.
You crossed the line. You lose.
He was able to save it. Did not run it through the guardrail. Great job, Steve.
Once you violate safety, your ass lose.
Like to see experienced drivers out here?
I ain't know that. Well, you know it now.
All right, guys, what tree do you want?
Oh.
Your box stock, so that's pro tree. Yeah, that's
okay.
Like both of them now. Copy that.
We got a Chevy truck in the right lane.
Don't be shy. I'm the shyest guy out here. Here we go, drivers. Watch them.
Okay, they both make a full pass. Left lane with the wind. Left lane with the wind. Safety. Look out, look out. What's up with it, Rob? One time for the one time. Hey, y'all, that's Super Mike. Full tree, Mike.
Full tree, got it.
Mike, you can let any other people that's out here want their family to see the event. Let them know I'm live streaming it on Twitch at Lookout Racing. That way they can.
All right, folks. So check it out. This event is being streamed live on Twitch TV Lookout Racing channel. That's Twitch TV Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
Lookout Racing on Twitch TV is streaming live. Drivers, full tree.
Yeah.
Watch the lights.
Oh, here we go. God. Dang. Full pass for the win. Look, check this out. How old are you, mister?
I'm 11.
You 11. Did you know that if you see how he wrecked like that? Did you know that if you hit the wall, he'll win? You knew that? I just learned that. You ain't know that?
No.
I just learned it.
Plan B racing lane.
I'm putting you on game. Yeah, see, he ain't even know, man. Funkertown rules.
This ought to be interesting. Drivers, watch the lights. Doable.
Ooh. Right lane with a full pass and a late reaction.
And that wasn't a street outlaw.
Oh, that was? No. Oh, okay. I thought that got out. Yes.
All right.
Full tree.
Full tree. She ready, y'all. Let me see her little burnout. Okay.
I'm gonna run a single in that outlaw car. Instant green. Watch the lights.
Okay. Hold it. Oh, God, that thing started making noise. God, dang. He ain't got no brakes. All that speed, no brakes. Gotta get some wildwood or some bird brakes, man, with the 6 pistons on it.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, this guy in HRA rule,
Full tree.
man.
Anyone else need a full tree?
You hit the wall, you lose. Tobacco. You hit the wall, you lose. In my Funkertown voice.
25 more minutes, guys.
I don't care if you betting on the side, the top, or the bottom. Okay.
There we go.
We got two young girls up here. Oh, they both cut a good light. Oh, that's a good race. Left lane.
Pass.
Golly.
Nice reaction time.
The left lane working with some. I see you, little girls.
Florida.
She up there too. They both cut a good light. I thought they red lighted. Yeah, and she held her stuff down the line straight. Lay your number on the cabinet, baby.
Here we go. Whoops. I have you on full tree still. You want to go instant green, guys? Drivers, watch the lights.
Oh, golly. See,
It cost him had it been
too
a race,
fast, man.
Make some small adjustments.
His car too
that
fast.
was a nice pull.
God,
At Crawler Innovations Lane, sir, you may want your time slip. Oh, okay.
And she ignored my call.
Okay, so now we have some options. You can't bring your own, but we have some carpet and some rubber out here. So we have 3 different
I
options
know
for you
these
guys.
cars cost a
But you
lot
can
of
bring
money.
your own to the start line. Everyone must use what's available. We have a car on the track, the top end of the track.
You red
Need that car
lighted, you
driven
will
off the
lose
big
it
end.
all.
Oh, you blew his gear. No problem. No problem. Thank you very much.
Why he keep? Oh, he trying to get the. He trying to get all he can get up out of there. I tried to tell him. Here we go.
Watch the lights.
Ooh. Right lane with a solid straight full pass. A good reaction left lane. Pretty uncontrollable. Pretty fast. But uncontrollable. Okay. Left lane with the short burnout. Is he gonna hook? Right lane has a little longer burnout. This guy's cold, so he should be timid. Should have a better reaction time. He's already twitching.
Instant green. Watch the lights.
Oh shit! God!
Wheels up,
Man, what
button
kind of
up.
car?